Toyota Tacoma, a name that's been synonymous with rugged reliability and adventure for decades. Something strange is happening. The trucks that once flew off the lots are now sitting unsold. Why? What's going on? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the unexpected reasons why the Toyota Tacoma isn't selling like it used to. And trust me, the truth might surprise you. Before we get into the specifics, let me ask you this. How could a vehicle that's been a top contender in its segment suddenly face such a shift? Is it competition, a design misstep, or something deeper, lurking under the surface? Stay tuned, because the answer may not be what you think. First, let's talk competition. The midsize truck market is no longer Tacoma's playground alone. Rivals like the Ford Ranger and Chevy Colorado have stepped up their game. New features, sleeker designs, and oh, what's this? Better pricing? Buyers now have options, and they're not afraid to explore them. But here's the twist. It's not just about alternatives looking better. It's about Tacoma looking older, like last year's smartphone older. And when was the last time you chose to keep a flip phone over a shiny new touchscreen? Exactly. If trucks were high schoolers, the Tacoma might be the senior who peaked in junior year. But is it just competition stealing Tacoma's thunder? Or is Toyota making decisions that are backfiring? Let's find out. Then there's the pricing. With inflation hitting wallets and interest rates climbing, car buyers are looking for the best bang for their buck. And here's the kicker, Tacoma's price tag isn't exactly friendly anymore. For the features it offers, some say it's starting to feel like a premium price for a dated experience. Now imagine this, a buyer walks into a dealership, sees a Tacoma, and thinks, nice truck, but for this price, maybe not. And the salesperson, well, let's just say they're not exactly laughing all the way to the bank. It's like buying a soda at the airport. You want it, but $8? Really? But wait, could the problem go even deeper? What if it's not just about dollars and cents? Let's talk features. While competitors are rolling out cutting-edge tech, think massive touchscreens, advanced driver assists, and luxurious interiors, the Tacoma hasn't quite kept up. Sure, it's tough, but in 2024, buyers want their trucks to be more than just workhorses. They want them to be comfortable, connected, and dare I say it, cool. And here's the emotional tug. When buyers feel like they're paying a premium but not getting premium features, that's when disappointment sets in. Think of it this way. You wouldn't pay steakhouse prices for a drive-through burger, would you? But even with all these challenges, could there still be hope for the Tacoma? Let's explore that next. Despite the challenges, it's not all doom and gloom for the Tacoma. Toyota has a reputation for listening to its customers and adapting. Rumors are swirling about a major redesign and tech upgrades in the works. Could this be the comeback the Tacoma needs? Here's where excitement comes in. Imagine a Tacoma that blends its legendary reliability with next-gen features. A Tacoma that redefines what a mid-size truck can be. It's possible, and it's coming. Let's just hope it doesn't take as long as waiting for Grandma's famous holiday pie to cool. So what do you think? Is the Toyota Tacoma in trouble, or is it simply gearing up for a big comeback? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this dive into the curious case of Tacoma's sales slump, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we've got more stories, insights, and car mysteries coming your way. There's one more piece to this puzzle, a hidden factor that might explain why Tacoma sales have slowed. Consumer habits are changing. More buyers are prioritizing fuel efficiency, eco-friendliness, and hybrid or electric options. And this is where Tacoma might be missing the mark. While Toyota has made strides with hybrid technology in other models, the Tacoma remains firmly in its traditional mold. Could this be what's holding it back? It's like bringing a flip phone to a video call. It works, but you're not impressing anyone. Is the Tacoma at risk of falling behind for good? Or is there a bold move Toyota can make to reclaim its crown? Let's hear from the people who matter most, the buyers. Customers are speaking up, and their message is loud and clear. They want value, innovation, and a product that feels future-ready. Whether it's an efficient hybrid engine, a cutting-edge infotainment system, or even a daring design refresh, today's truck owners are setting higher standards than ever before. The question becomes, can Toyota bridge the gap between tradition and progress? Because if they can, the Tacoma might not just bounce back, it could dominate the market once more. Maybe the Tacoma just needs a little therapy. Or maybe just Bluetooth that works flawlessly. The Toyota Tacoma isn't down for the count, but the road ahead is no easy trail. As competition grows fiercer and customer expectations evolve, this iconic truck faces a choice: adapt or risk being left behind. What do you think? Does the Tacoma still have what it takes to lead the pack? Or is it time for Toyota to go back to the drawing board? Together, we'll keep exploring the ever-changing landscape of the auto world. Keep your engines running and your curiosity alive. Let's take a step back and reflect on why the Tacoma earned its legendary status in the first place. It wasn't just a truck, it was a symbol. A go-anywhere, do-anything machine that could handle the roughest terrain and still look great at the campsite. But here's the catch. Nostalgia alone isn't enough to sell trucks anymore. Buyers want innovation that respects tradition without being stuck in it. What can Toyota learn from Tacoma's history to shape its future? Could it strike the perfect balance between rugged reliability and modern sophistication? But is Toyota ready to take this challenge head-on? And what could that transformation look like? Stick around because we're about to speculate on what might be in store. So what's next for the Tacoma? Industry whispers hint at hybrid and fully electric variants, lighter materials for better fuel efficiency, and even a complete overhaul of its design language. Imagine a Tacoma that retains its iconic toughness, but also embraces cutting-edge technology and sustainability. It's an exciting prospect, but it comes with risks. Will Toyota take bold enough steps to stay ahead of the curve, or will they play it safe and risk falling further behind? If Toyota's planning something big, let's just hope they don't announce it with a teaser that's vaguer than a weather forecast. The Toyota Tacoma's journey is far from over, but the next chapter is critical. This isn't just about one truck. It's about what it represents in a fiercely competitive market. Will the Tacoma rise to the challenge and redefine itself for a new generation, or will it fade into the background as rivals take center stage? Now it's your turn. What would you like to see in the Tacoma of tomorrow? Drop your ideas in the comments below and let's spark a conversation that Toyota might just need to hear. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of cars and trucks. Until next time, keep asking questions and stay curious. The Toyota Tacoma isn't battling ghosts. It's up against a lineup of rivals that have upped their game. So let's break it down. The Ford Ranger has been flexing its muscles with the Ranger Raptor, bringing serious off-road capabilities and that sporty swagger buyers are loving. And then there's the Chevy Colorado, which comes with tech so advanced it feels like driving a smartphone on wheels. But wait, the Nissan Frontier isn't sitting this one out either. With its rugged charm and upgraded tech, it's playing to the crowd that wants a modern truck with a hint of nostalgia. Here's the kicker. These competitors are giving buyers what they've been craving: variety. Whether it's better trims, hybrid options, or flashy tech, they're pulling in customers who might have defaulted to the Tacoma a decade ago. It's like a high-stakes bake-off, and everyone's showing up with gourmet desserts while Tacoma is still serving the same trusty apple pie. Delicious? Sure. Exciting? Maybe not. But is it all just about features and price? Or is something else tipping the scales? What if Tacoma's legacy itself is part of the problem? Let's unpack that sometimes. Being a legend isn't easy. Tacoma's rugged reputation might actually be working against it. Think about it. When people hear Tacoma, they think of durability, reliability, and simplicity. Great, right? But in today's market, simplicity can read as basic. Buyers aren't just looking for a truck that works hard, they want a truck that multitasks. Workhorse by day, luxury ride by night. And this is where Tacoma might be feeling the pinch. Let's be honest, would you bring a Swiss Army knife to a 5-course dinner party? Probably not. So, with competitors innovating and the Tacoma wrestling with its legacy, what does this mean for its future? Are we looking at a reinvention or the end of an era? The 2024 Toyota Tacoma boasts a blend of rugged performance, advanced technology, and versatile design, making it a standout midsize truck. Available with multiple powertrain options, including a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine and a hybrid iForce Max variant, it offers impressive power and efficiency. The Tacoma's off-road capabilities are enhanced by its robust chassis, multi-liter rear suspension, and features like crawl control and multi-terrain select. Inside, the cabin combines functionality and comfort with options for a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, premium JBL audio, and wireless connectivity. Exterior highlights include a bold grille, LED lighting, and an array of bed configurations designed for durability and practicality. Building on its legacy as a dependable and capable mid-size truck, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma has been thoughtfully redesigned to meet modern needs while retaining its rugged essence. Under the hood, it offers diverse powertrain choices, starting with the base 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 228 to 278 horsepower, depending on the trim. For those seeking greater performance and efficiency, the iForce Max hybrid system combines the same turbo engine with an electric motor to deliver an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 of torque. The powertrains are paired with either an 8-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission, catering to driving enthusiasts. The Tacoma's TRD Pro and Trail Hunter trims emphasize off-road prowess with features like Fox QS3 shocks, skid plates, a high-clearance front bumper, and a factory-installed snorkel for wading through deep water. Inside, the cabin reflects a balance of toughness and refinement, with durable materials, leather-trimmed options, and advanced tech integrations. The centerpiece is a large, high-resolution 14-inch infotainment display running Toyota's latest multimedia system, offering seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, providing adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. On the exterior, bold styling is accentuated by aggressive LED headlights, flared fenders, and customizable bed configurations, including an available power outlet and integrated storage solutions. Designed for adventure and practicality, the 2024 Tacoma excels as a versatile truck that meets the demands of both work and leisure. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma is expected to be available in dealerships starting in early 2024, with pre-orders opening in late 2023. Pricing for the new Tacoma varies depending on the trim level and options selected. The base SR model starts around $30,000, while the SR5 trim, which adds more comfort and tech features, is priced starting at approximately $33,000. For those seeking off-road capabilities, the TRD Off-Road begins around $37,000, while the TRD Pro trim, designed for extreme off-road adventures, is priced starting near $45,000. The range-topping Tacoma Trailhunter, with premium features and additional off-road enhancements, starts around $47,000. The iForce Max hybrid option is generally priced higher, starting from about $40,000 for the SR5 hybrid trim. Optional packages such as the technology and premium packages can add additional cost but offer upgrades like a larger infotainment screen, advanced safety features, and premium audio systems. For those considering higher-end luxury and utility features, the Tacoma's pricing can climb closer to $50,000 or beyond, especially with fully loaded configurations and higher trims. Toyota offers a range of customizations, allowing buyers to choose from several color options, bed lengths, and accessory packs to tailor the Tacoma to their specific needs. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma stands out not only for its impressive capabilities, but also for its strong commitment to delivering value and customer satisfaction. Toyota has long been known for building vehicles that offer reliability, longevity, and strong resale value, and the Tacoma is no exception. Owners can expect a vehicle that holds its value well over time, making it a smart investment for those seeking a long-term companion. The Tacoma's reputation for durability and minimal maintenance issues, backed by Toyota's robust warranty and service offerings, further enhances its appeal to customers. For many, the ability to customize the Tacoma to suit individual needs is a key selling point. With a wide range of trim levels, from the base SR model to the top-of-the-line TRD Pro and Trailhunter, as well as numerous accessory packages, customers can tailor their Tacoma for specific needs, whether that's maximizing off-road capability, improving towing capacity, or enhancing comfort and convenience. Toyota's dedication to customer satisfaction is reflected in its comprehensive after-sold service, ensuring that Tacoma owners have access to a network of dealerships and service centers that are known for high-quality care. Additionally, the availability of Toyota's extensive array of connected services, including remote start, vehicle tracking, and vehicle health monitoring, adds a layer of convenience that modern consumers appreciate. The Tacoma also offers flexible financing options, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. The Tacoma's rugged dependability is matched by a focus on driver and passenger comfort, offering features like premium seating, noise-reducing cabin insulation, and dual-zone climate control that enhance long journeys or demanding workdays. Toyota also ensures that the Tacoma delivers on practicality with smart storage solutions, such as under-seat compartments, multi-uses bed options, and a tailgate that doubles as a workstation. Furthermore, the Tacoma's advanced safety and connectivity features ensure peace of mind, whether navigating challenging terrains or cruising through urban settings. Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability and the Tacoma's proven track record create a sense of pride and assurance among its owners. This enduring bond between the vehicle and its drivers reflects Toyota's philosophy of building more than just trucks. They build lifelong relationships. The 2024 Tacoma is not just a vehicle, it's a partner in adventure, a tool for productivity, and a symbol of trust and quality that Toyota continually strives to uphold. With these considerations in mind, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma not only satisfies the needs of adventurous drivers, but also positions itself as a trusted and valued asset in the lives of its owners. Whether for daily commutes, weekend adventures, or heavy-duty work, the Tacoma proves to be a truck that continues to earn the loyalty and satisfaction of its diverse customer base. Toyota's unwavering dedication to customer satisfaction extends beyond the truck itself, fostering a sense of community and trust that Tacoma owners value deeply. The brand actively engages with its customers through feedback-driven improvements, ensuring the Tacoma evolves with the needs and desires of its audience. This relationship is further strengthened by Toyota's commitment to sustainability and responsible manufacturing practices, which resonate with environmentally conscious buyers. The 2024 Tacoma, with its hybrid powertrain option, is a testament to Toyota's efforts to reduce environmental impact while maintaining exceptional performance. For off-road enthusiasts, Toyota's support extends to an active community of Tacoma owners who share tips, experiences, and customization ideas, enriching the ownership experience. Toyota's reputation as a global leader in automotive excellence is a cornerstone of the 2024 Tacoma's enduring appeal. Known for crafting vehicles that balance innovation, reliability, and performance, Toyota has built a legacy of trust with its customers over decades. This legacy is evident in every aspect of the Tacoma, from its rugged construction to its cutting-edge technology and customer-focused features. Toyota's renowned engineering standards ensure that each Tacoma is built to endure the toughest conditions, a factor that has consistently earned the brand top marks in reliability and customer satisfaction surveys worldwide. The brand's commitment to quality extends to its rigorous testing protocols, where the Tacoma undergoes extreme trials to validate its durability in diverse environments, from scorching deserts to icy terrains. Such meticulous attention to detail reinforces Toyota's standing as a manufacturer of vehicles that not only meet but exceed customer expectations. Furthermore, Toyota's emphasis on safety and innovation solidifies its reputation as a forward-thinking company. The Tacoma benefits from Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, incorporating the latest advancements in driver assist technology, a testament to the brand's unwavering dedication to protecting its drivers and passengers. Toyota's commitment to sustainability is another key pillar of its reputation. The introduction of hybrid powertrains, including in the Tacoma, showcases the company's proactive approach to reducing carbon footprints while delivering the performance and capability